How to find draft reels on Facebook. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can find your drafts reels on Facebook. Well, if you have any drafts saved, or if you have any reels saved as draft, or that is draft reels that similar that you have on TikTok, the drafts, if you have it, then you'll be able to find it easily. Now to do so, you want to simply open up Facebook. You want to tap on the video option, right? And then you want to tap on the reels section and you'll be able to head into the reels. Now under reels, what you want to do is you want to tap on the camera icon that you can see at the top right option, top right corner. There you can see three different options and you can see camera option. Basically you want to head into the create new draft option. Once you tap on it here, you'll be able to see camera option, music option, and drafts option. Simply tap on drafts and you'll be able to see your drafts here. In my case, I have no drafts. As you can see, it says you have no drafts. Drafts are only visible to you until you are ready to share them with the world. So basically this is where you'll find your draft reels. So this is where you can find your draft reels on Facebook. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.